Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Twitch app on your Xbox, sign into your account, and then launch Lightstream on a PC or phone. Once signed in, link the same Twitch account in Lightstream. This shares stream permissions. Make sure Party Chat is enabled and Lightstream has microphone access so your voice and Xbox audio route correctly. Do this now because cross-account linking avoids delays later. It also lets you control overlays and scenes remotely, which speeds setup once you start broadcasting. Next, begin the broadcast flow on Xbox. Choose Broadcast to Twitch, and when prompted, pick Lightstream as your remote producer. Once connected, Lightstream receives your stream, and you can add overlays, alerts, and webcam sources from the Lightstream dashboard. Adjust your bitrate and resolution for stability. 720p or 1080p are common. Target 6.8 Mbps for 1080p. Monitor the Lightstream preview to confirm overlays align with Xbox UI. And once set, click to finish, run a quick test recording or private stream and confirm game audio, microphone, and chat levels are balanced. Adjust gains in Lightstream so nothing clips. If you see stuttering or dropped frames, restart Lightstream, relink your Twitch account, and try lowering bitrate. Also check your NAT type and upload speed. If wireless, switch to a wired connection for consistent bandwidth. If overlays fail to display, refresh the Lightstream scene or relaunch the Twitch app on Xbox. This usually restores the remote link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.